guys, for this video we need to change oil filter and engine oil, and then transmission oil, transmission fluid. So we need to remove oil pan for transmission, and then the filter here. This Nissan X-Trail 2016 model. So we need to use wrench 10 mm. That's the small filter for transmission. Later release, and after that we need to change this one. Okay. The oil filter. So before that, before installing the new filter, you need to clean first the surface of filter to make it clean. Okay. First, you need to clean this one, the oil ring gasket. Making sure they don't have leak. And this is the new filter. Also the cut. So same procedure. Where's Hasan? Hasan! So before we install the cap, we need to apply a small amount for silicone metal. Only a small amount. To make it no oil leakage. Huh?
What about things?
Huh?
What about filter? No need face? There is no issue.
Now, nice.
What about oil is changing? No problem.
No, change it.
Huh?
Change it now.
That was
After that,
so dirty. That
where?
was so dirty. Other-
yeah, this one oil.
Yes. I was asked only that oil was so dirty.
Yeah, dark. See the color.
Yeah. But now no problem, huh?
No.
Only need to change filter from the small one. Small one? Small one?
After you finish your work, you need to clean and make it good. Now this is the old transmission filter. Because in Toyota, only one filter.
Nissan, why two filter?
There's this one. This one, you see this one? This one, oil coolant. So that's why
Oil
we
coolant.
don't need to overheat this one.
Ah,
That's why they have a filter. Yeah,
that's why only you change this, huh?
yeah.
Okay, it's different.
Yeah. So
Thank you very
how
much.
about my
man.
work?
Actually, it's very perfect. And I hope you will open your workshop.
So thank you.
You're welcome.
Now it's finished. I return it quick and easy.
Now the AC, it will work very good.
Inshallah.
Inshallah.
This is a Nissan X-Trail 2016, right?
2016, yes.
Yeah, Nissan. So this is the owner of her car. So this is a Nissan 2016 X-Trail. I change filter oil and transmission filter. Also change the oil filter, fluid filter. So that's it. Thank you guys.